What's going on, everyone? This is Rover Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2024 Land Rover Range Rover Sport P400 Dynamic SE. This vehicle is powered by a 3-liter turbocharged inline 6-cylinder with 406 horsepower, or no, 395 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. Made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission, and it can do a 0 to 60 in the low 5-second range. So this is the first time I'm driving this new body style of the Range Rover Sport. Seems pretty nice. You have a digital gauge cluster, pretty typical screen that you find in a lot of Land Rover products. You do have heated and ventilated seats, which is really cool. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Nice metal shift pedals. Nice weight to them. Heated steering wheel as well. You do have a panoramic sunroof. Very nice and comfortable black leather seats. You have a giant center console storage capacity. It's a little bit narrow, but you can fit a lot of stuff in there. And you also have a wireless charging tray. Great placement for that. Put the vehicle in reverse and you have a 360 view camera along with the 3D view, which is cool. You also have an off-road camera, and it's a very high-resolution camera too. I think that's nice, and I love these armrests that Range Rovers have, so that's cool. Well, let's walk around this Land Rover and see what it looks like. It's weird how the door handle's so low though. I wish that was a little bit different. Black exterior on this one. You also have gray wheels and Brembo brakes. That's interesting. Good looking SUV. And here are the rear seats. You have a Meridian 3D surround sound system. Pretty cool. The leather feels high quality. I like it. And I also like these taillights. Here's the trunk space. Pretty good trunk space. Seems about normal for a two-row SUV like this. But let's now get this Range Rover on the road. Dynamic mode. I do like the steering wheel too. Nice leather. I like the Range Rover logo. The leather horn pad. And I really like the ride height in here. It's very high up. That's interesting how it still shows the camera. I don't even know why that's on. So the car is decent acceleration for its size. It's nothing crazy. I mean, it picks up when you need it to, but obviously this is not like an SVR or something like that, so it's not going to be like monstrously fast or anything. But it is still pretty quick for what it is. Steering feels nice. The ride feels really comfortable. Suspension's just really nice and soft in a good way. Like, it feels, when I say soft, it doesn't, I'm not saying it feels like you know, vague or anything. It feels soft in terms of luxury. It does feel like a very luxurious car Definitely feels like a Range Rover, I'll tell you that. The seats are so comfortable. I really like the seats. Okay, so I think you have to put it in this S mode to use the paddles. It's nice and quiet in here, but the noise I do hear from the engine, it's like nice. It's like a nice sound. It sounds like a nice nice V6, right? Transmission shifts very smoothly as well. Yeah. Overall, good acceleration. I'm honestly surprised at how high I feel above the road. I mean, it has like an air suspension too, but like this, it's not like a giant SUV. So, like compared to most SUVs around this size, it's elevated above the road, right? It feels more elevated. And it gives you like the feeling like it feels like I'm in like a G-Wagon or something. That's what the ride height feels like for whatever reason, which I find to be quite interesting. And around this corner, the steering feels nice. Well, you to put your foot down on the low speeds, it'll pick up. And I am in the dynamic mode, so that actually makes sense. Well, we've now returned to Grubbs Family Dealerships, so let's wrap up today's video. Overall, this 2024 Land Rover Range Rover Sport P400 Dynamic SE is a good looking SUV, has a really nice comfortable ride with nice features, and it's quite luxurious. I enjoyed the drive today in this car. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for a wide variety of luxury SUVs from many different makes and models.